Hello, in front of me I've got HONOR X5c Plus. In this video I'll show you software update guide. In the beginning, make sure that your smartphone is connected to strong Wi-Fi or mobile data are enabled. Next, go to System Settings and Updates. Enter Software Update. And now, here you can find current version. And to check for updates, press this button. If update is recognized, you can download it from here. You can also manage system resources, parameter versions, and device settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.